Welcome to your slice of heaven here in beautiful Pagosa Springs, Colorado. This 1,640 square foot home was built 2022. This home is equipped with smart features like a Wi-Fi thermostat, USB charging stations, and a 6-camera video security system, as well as programmable exterior lighting for added peace of mind. Offering a large, open-concept living space. Enjoy the comfort of carpet and tile flooring throughout the home, all designed to provide both elegance and practicality. This kitchen boasts granite countertops, sleek under-cabinet lighting, and top-of-the-line Samsung appliances, including a refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, washer, and dryer. The primary bedroom is a true retreat, offering a generous 223 square feet of space, including a ceiling fan for comfort and plenty of natural light. Your new beginning starts here. Welcome home.